In this video, let us look at this array formula function in Google Sheets. To understand this array formula, let us look at this data. We have got product, quantity, price. Okay, so this is product 1, product 2, quantity is 23, 111, and price is 1111. So if you want to get the total of this, then you can just multiply these two cells, right? And then we can do the same thing for this as well. So this is the total costs, and that is 1474, the sum of these two numbers. So here what we are doing is that we are multiplying the sale values. But with array formula, what you can do is that we don't need to do this total column. Okay, we can directly use array formula. With array formula, you can multiply ranges. With array formula, you can multiply ranges. For example, here what I want to do is that I want to multiply this range by this range, quantity by price. And that's why I've given here D1400, D141. So this range, and you can see I've used this multiplication operator. So generally multiplication operator is used for cell values, single cell values, but with array formula it is possible to use this multiplication operator with range of values. So what it will return is basically the range where it will store the values of the multiplication of quantity and price. Once we have that range, what we are taking is the sum of that particular range and then returning it. So you can see that the value that we are getting here is 1474, and the same value we are getting over here. So basically with array formula it is possible to get our result quite easily. You don't have to multiply and then take the sum separately. In array formula you can do it in same single formula. Okay, and that's why we use array formula. Thanks for watching.